Earlier this week I was asked to turn down some PVC fittings so that some vent caps could be put over the ends. And they told me, take about a 16th off, nothing critical. But I think I came up with a better way. The supplied vent caps were a 3-inch louver style, typical of soffits, and after looking at it, it appeared that maybe I could roll the edge. So typically these couplers have an OD of 2 3/4 inches. But after measuring the part more carefully, I noticed that one end was 2.74 inches and the smaller end was 2.72 inches. This difference of 20 thousandths meant there was a little bit of a taper, probably from the injection molding process. I could use this to my advantage because if I rolled the edge and pressed it on the small end, as it went on, it would become tighter, and this should work. The idea of the louvers measured 2.68 inches, and so a piece of bar stock was put in the lathe, and that dimension was turned on the end, and then a shoulder that was 2.72 inches was put in, and this would become my mandrel for rolling the edge. Maybe a little hard to see from the photo, but 20 thousandths really isn't too much of a lip. In fact, a typical sheet of paper, copy paper, is approximately 4 thousandths of an inch. And so what we're talking about here is about the thickness of a couple sheets of paper on each side of that bar. Not much at all. I'm going to use the lathe turret to push the part onto the mandrel. And so here you can see I'm just placing it on the boss there, and it doesn't push on. And then we're going to bring it down to the turret and line it up. And here I'm going to bring the X in just a little bit, center it up a little bit better. And then just going to use the hand wheel to turn it in, slowly. And you'll notice the edge just will fold right over, and that rolls it onto the mandrel, and that's it. The part is done. Getting it off the mandrel does take a little bit of work, and so I'm going to use a rubber mallet to just kind of tap it off of there. The part can then be installed on the PVC fitting very easily, just a little bit of hand pressure, and the fit is nice and secure. You do need to make sure that you have the correct end because it will not fit on the large end. In the end, this turned out to be a very elegant solution to a simple problem. It's clean, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.